For the last decade, we were promised a future where robots would do our chores, build our cars, and care for our elderly. For a long time, that promise felt like a scam. We saw tethered prototypes fall over flat ground and polished CGI videos that never matched reality. But something shifted in the first quarter of 2026. The era of the prototype is dead, and the era of the product has arrived. We are no longer asking if these machines work. We are asking which one will be in your house first. Today, we are breaking down the top 4 humanoid robots that have officially won the race for 2026. These aren't tech demos. These are the 4 machines that have finally solved the impossible trinity of robotics: autonomous reasoning, human-level dexterity, and mass production scaling. We begin with the machine that redefined machine intelligence, the Figure 03. Earlier this year, Figure AI moved from industrial testing in BMW plants to a full consumer-facing reveal that shocked the industry. The Figure 03 is the physical embodiment of the new Helix VLA model. VLA stands for Vision Language Action, and it is the brain that allows this robot to understand the world without a single line of traditional code. If you tell a Figure 03 to clean up a spilled drink, it doesn't just execute a pre-programmed wipe command. It identifies the liquid, finds a paper towel, and applies the exact pressure needed based on the surface. This is made possible by their new 24-degree of freedom hands. These hands feature integrated tactile skin that can feel the difference between a ceramic mug and a plastic cup, adjusting grip strength in milliseconds to avoid crushing fragile objects. Figure has moved away from the industrial aesthetic, opting for a soft-touch textile exoskeleton that makes the robot safe to operate in tight home environments. This is currently the gold standard for household intelligence. Before we move to the titan of mass production, if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the engineering and hardware defining the robotics frontier, hit the subscribe button. We keep it focused on the data and the tech that actually matters. Now let's talk about the machine built for the millions. While Figure is focused on high-end intelligence, Tesla is focused on the one thing they do better than anyone else: scale. Optimus V3 has officially entered the deployment phase. Many critics claimed Tesla was behind, but the sheer volume of data harvested from millions of cars on the road has given Optimus an insurmountable edge in navigation. Optimus V3 is the first to utilize the fully integrated FSD robot stack. It treats a factory floor exactly like a busy intersection. The most impressive upgrade this year is the power density of the new actuators. Tesla managed to reduce the weight of the robot by 15% while increasing battery life to a full 8-hour shift. This is the milestone the industry has been waiting for: a robot that can work a standard human shift without needing a recharge. Furthermore, Tesla has solved the cooling bottleneck that plagued earlier versions. During high-torque tasks like heavy lifting or sustained walking, the V3 utilizes a new liquid-to-air thermal management system derived from their Cybertruck architecture. This allows the robot to maintain peak performance in high-temperature warehouse environments where other electronics would throttle. Tesla isn't just building a robot. They are building a manufacturing line capable of producing 10,000 units a month. In 2026, the Optimus isn't just a tech demo. It is a co-worker in every Tesla gigafactory on the planet, proving that the move from silicon to steel is finally paying off for the Texas giant. Moving from American giants to the innovators in Norway, we have the 1X Neo. If Figure is the brain and Tesla is the scale, 1X is the safety and elegance. Most humanoid robots are powered by heavy gears and rigid motors that make them dangerous to be around if a sensor fails. Neo is different. It uses a proprietary tendon-driven system that mimics human musculature. When you touch a 1X Neo, it feels soft. If it bumps into you, it yields. This compliance is the reason 1X was the first company to get regulatory approval for unsupervised home assistance in several international markets. Their 2026 model has doubled down on the learning by demonstration framework. Instead of engineers writing code, professional pilots wear VR suits to teach the robots tasks like folding laundry or loading a dishwasher. The robot then generalizes that data across the entire fleet. With a starting deposit of just $200, the 1X Neo has become the most anticipated consumer device of the decade. It represents the shift from industrial tool to household companion. Finally, we have the robot that has turned the entire industry upside down on price, the Unitree G1. While other manufacturers are aiming for the price of a luxury car, Unitree has brought the G1 to market for $16,000. That is less than a used sedan. The G1 is smaller than its competitors, standing at just over 4 feet tall, but it is pound for pound the most agile machine on the list. It can perform backflips, recover from heavy impacts, and fold into a compact shape for easy transport. But don't let the price fool you. The G1 EDU version comes equipped with a 3D LiDAR system and a high-performance compute module that allows for deep reinforcement learning. In the last 3 months, the G1 has dominated the research sector because of its open-source SDK. Developers are now uploading custom behaviors to a global library, allowing the G1 to learn new skills like playing tennis or navigating stairs in record time. This is the robot that has democratized the industry. It is the reason every major university and startup now has a humanoid lab. Unitree has proven that you don't need a $100,000 budget to have world-class robotics. By focusing on mass market affordability, they have forced every other player on this list to reconsider their pricing strategy, effectively starting the first global humanoid price war. The landscape of 2026 is now divided into 4 distinct territories. You have Figure 03 for those who want the most advanced AI reasoning available. You have Tesla Optimus for those who believe in the power of mass manufacturing. You have the 1X Neo for those who prioritize safety and human-centric design. And you have the Unitree G1 for the pioneers who want to bring robotics to the masses today. The winner of this race won't be the company with the best video. It will be the company that can ship the most units to the most homes. We are no longer looking at prototypes. We are looking at the new members of our workforce and our families. The economic shift we are witnessing is the largest since the Industrial Revolution. And these 4 machines are leading the charge. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the future of robotics and AI. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next mission. Until then, stay curious, stay futuristic. This is Robo Frontier.